In the past 18 months at HyroTrader, our traders have earned over $2 million in payouts. And in this video, I want to share the biggest lessons I have learned from seeing hundreds of traders succeed and fail. These insights come from real trading data, funded accounts and live results. I am not sharing this to hype you up, but to help you to avoid the mistakes most traders make and improve your own trading. Lesson number 1. Profits are byproduct. The traders who consistently made money weren't chasing profits. They were obsessed with progress, discipline, risk management, and execution. And money followed naturally. Lesson 2. You don't need to trade every day. Some of our best traders went entire weeks without taking a single trade. You ask why? Because the market didn't give them an opportunity, and that's fine. Patience is a strategy too. Lesson 3. Know when to attack and when to defend. In most months there are only 4 to 6 truly great trading days. On those, winners go aggressive and size up. On the rest, they defend their capital, sit in cash and wait. Lesson 4. Trading is not linear. We've seen traders make even 20k in one month and then barely break even the next month. But this is completely normal. The key is staying consistent and avoiding emotions when results slow down. Lesson 5. Reset every day. Just because you were green yesterday doesn't mean you will be green today. A bad week doesn't mean the next week will be bad as well. Every trading day is earned from zero. Lesson 6. Less is more. The most profitable traders don't have 20 strategies. They focus on 2 or 3 setups, master them and refine them over time. That focus is what allows them to size up with confidence. Lesson 7. Data is the king. Our most consistent traders journal every single trade. They know their win rates, their best setups and their weak spots. Without data, you are just guessing. With data, you are improving. And here is something important. Our community of more than 30,000 crypto traders worldwide proves this lesson over and over again. Success isn't about luck or shortcuts. It's about discipline, risk control and consistent improvement. Being part of a strong trading community makes this journey easier because you are learning and growing together. That's why I want to invite you to our crypto trading community to test your own skills. Go to the HyroTrader.com, you can join our community for free or even start a free trial of our trading challenges to see where you stand and what are your real skills. And I will leave you with this personal note. I've been in the industry for years. I've seen what works and what destroys traders. And my mission is simple: to help traders avoid costly mistakes and give them the real opportunities to succeed. At the end of the day, trading is just a process. Respect the process and the profits will follow. Don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel to see more videos like this.